explanation of titration, please like the previous video, watch the previous video as we continue. So we are continuing from where we ended. We have poured the liquid, it's a dry lab, okay? We have poured the liquid in here, suspected to be acid, and we've put it into a conical flask, suspected to be alkaline, okay? If you have this bulb, well and good. If you don't have, use your mouth. We've already talked about which is not a safe precaution. Yeah. Now, what do? They will give you instructions on what to do. Apabakamba to say, add the 3 drops of the indicator provided to the conical flask containing solution X. Carefully swallow the solution, write your observation. Add indicator need, it's here. Get the indicator using a pipette, add in here. Pa, pa, pa. Swirl is in the one. Which that's all. Some men. Not swirling, swirl. SWIRL. That's why. So then write the observation. Whatever color you see, the pinky, no anything. You write. Are we following? Yes, 2 months. Imagine just writing the observation. 2 months. Whatever color you are going to see, right? No color. Blue, pinky, orangey. You write. Practical is one of the easiest paper that one can fail. Now, Bessesan, everything is done. You get this conical flask which has this solution. You bring it here. Number says that we the dark conical flask. Conical flask. Ngati pale katao, timafaka po katao. Ngati palibe, even a paper or anything. Yeah. Now, here they are telling us to say, mount the burette onto the clamp stand, but they will mount for you, don't worry. Then now they are saying, using the burette, titrate, okay? Solution V with solution X, mix, Wambo mixing a man, until a color is seen. This is the end point, write your observation. So, man, tahika. Let's imagine this color is any color. You start opening the tap bit by bit, not to figure it. Abigail. Ukasekura pamono, drop by drop. Be patient. Okay? Drop by drop. Ucha kwanja kumozi wabwila, kwanja kumozi, usekura pamono. Wasunkani, mchinyanya. Utenkani isikuzungwati. Can someone pronounce this?
Swell.
Swear. Then I'm going to swear, Swahili. So, yeah, swear. My one, Ustaso. Pamono, wakasekura. Wasunkani. Pamono, bit by bit. If it's a drop, better drop. Wasunkani. Drop, wasunkani. Until you see a color what? Change. But as you go on, take a drop last. Pinky ya kurangiza. Pena ngoma tati ya kwenda tipa ya disappear. But you have to be very careful. Okay? Na papa tani pamono pa wasunkani. Kakwenda ka pinky mpa ukaondoka wanachapa just know that you almost. The raw color changes to pink. Mama possible colors ya common ni pinky, orange, blue. Okay? Methyl orange, depending na indicator imangana makala. Methyl orange, what blue, what. Bamafaka ma indicators hapa. Yachinja no fala. Now listen, hello, change nani. Remember, liquid it was at 0, smart. And liquid mulenga it was at 0. So yambovendera manje. Mana ivendera. uzapeze kati yapera pa 12 ayiwona konzo kuyaenda yayasha. So they will ask you to start recording now. They will ask you for the initial volume. Depending, so yasiya manje, depending mwachata itrate, depending na ma centers, bena ngu bazakambati initial volume. Munibeses, initial volume, bakambakuti. Before you started, David, are we together?
Yes, sir.
Before we started, volume yenze party. Ngati yenze pa 0, right? 0 centimeters cubic. Okay? But because of mangala bambi, mapaka bajisi. So ngapeze kati, there is not enough acid waiting kafike up. So whatever they've provided there, you when you pour, also remember 0. When you pour, pemene is a penela. Right? Pa first pa jangatwenzi wa polina, yenze pa 11. Level, initial volume, 11, which is V1. Then wa polina manje ndo zipeza pa 28. Lemba. Find your volume. Ibazingati 28 centimeters. I don't know if you are getting it. Not all schools can have up to the 0 level. Most of the schools, I know we're going to cut down. So, it is a somewhere there. Done. Mwayonaga? So, here, manje, bazafunza to say, determine the final volume at the end point. Show your work it. But to say, what is the final volume? Not this final volume, but what is the volume like after everything? V. You subtract Mr. Mulenga taught under density, volume, density, and mass. That when you're finding volume and you've got 2 volumes, what do? You say V what? 2 minus V1. So volume 2 ends in pacha 28 minus 11. So mukacha subtract 79 centimeters cubic. Also ibala ma units na papa ya. Ew. Not you go do your own things. You have like a 50 minus 78. Need you rate your mind. Is that okay? Then bazacha ya manje yonse bazakufunzani ma questions. Pamene apande pamachokera manje na mamo. Bazakufunzani find the more of this, find this, write the equation of this, write this and this. Okay? Just funny questions. Are we following? Compare the volume of A to the volume of V at the end point. But for the funny questions until yakwana max. So bazakuuzani to say suppose V, that is the last part. We are down, David?
Almost 9, sir.
Okay, almost 9. So this practical, they will just like asking you some funny questions. Calculate the number of moles if mass is this. The formula for number of moles, it is mass over molar mass. Maybe they will ask you to say calculate the volume. Volume, it is the number of moles times 24 decimeter cubic. That is if it is at RTP. If it is as STP, it is 22.4. They will just ask some funny questions. Then they will even ask you to do some balancing. They will ask you to say, suppose V is maybe sodium hydroxide. Then X is hydrochloric acid. Can we now balance this? NaOH plus HCl. What will be formed? Sodium chloride plus He2O. Then you start now checking if it is balanced or if it is not quite balanced. If it is balanced like this, you say self-balanced. So, those who are watching, if you find this video helpful, please like this video. You can reach us on that number for online lessons.